Good day, students. In this video, I'll guide you through Activity 1 and the Skills 2, Ethical AI Use in Higher Education. This activity helps you understand how to use AI responsibly by rewriting unethical prompts into ethical learning-focused ones. Skill 2 focuses on using AI tools responsibly and ethically in academic context. This includes understanding academic integrity, transparency, proper attribution, and the difference between getting help and cheating. Before we start with the activity, take a moment to review the core principles of ethical AI use displayed on the screen. Here are the core principles of ethical AI use. These principles remind you that AI should support your learning, not replace it. Pay particular attention to academic integrity, original thinking, and policy compliance. Scroll down and click on Start Activities. Activity list, select Activity 1, Ethical Prompt Rewrite. You'll see the instructions for this activity. You are asked to transform prompts that violate academic integrity into ethical prompts that focus on learning. An example is provided to guide you. The unethical prompt is shown in the task. It reads, "Write my 2,000-word essay on climate change." Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. Select any AI tool of your choice. I'll choose ChatGPT. Type the unethical prompt, "Write my 2,000-word essay on climate change." Click Enter. ChatGPT is generating the answer based on your request. This is unethical because it asks the AI to do the work on your behalf. Remember, you asked, "Write my 2,000-word essay on climate change." Let's try and type the ethical prompt. Our prompt now reads, "Help me create an outline for my 2,000-word essay on climate change, suggesting key themes and questions I should research." Let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Once completed, copy and paste the ethical version of the prompt in the AI Skills Practice app. Click Submit. Then your response will be saved successfully. You can click on Show just to see what you have saved. This means your ethical rewrite of the prompt is now saved in the AI Skills Projects app, as you can see. So the information will not be lost. So you can come back to it and check. This is how you are advised to write ethical prompts. Now, what is the difference between the two prompts? The unethical prompt reads, write my 2000 word essay on climate change. And the ethical rewrite reads, help me create an outline for my 2000 word essay on climate change, suggesting key themes and questions I should research. The two prompts differ significantly in terms of ethical acceptability. Prompt 1 asks the AI to generate a complete assignment for submission. Using the output directly would shift authorship from the student to the AI, which is ethically problematic and typically considered plagiarism or academic dishonesty. In summary, this prompt replaces the student's work. Let's look at the ethical rewrite. Help me create an outline for my 2000 word essay on climate change, suggesting key themes and questions I should research. This prompt positions the AI as a learning support tool. It helps with planning, structuring ideas, and guiding research, while the student still writes the essay themselves. This use aligns with ethical and responsible AI use in education. In summary, this prompt supports the student's thinking and writing. So the ethical rewrite focuses on learning. Now it's time to reflect. Here's the reflection question. What's the difference between asking AI to do your work versus helping you learn? Scroll down to the reflection section and write your thoughts there. Write it in your own words. Once done, click submit and your answers will be saved in the course. Response saved successfully. This activity helps you recognize how to use AI as a learning partner rather than a shortcut. Understanding this distinction is essential for maintaining academic integrity and developing your own skills. This completes Activity 1, Ethical Prompt Rewrite under Skill 2. You may now return to the activities list. It's here at the top, back to activities, to continue with the remaining ethical AI practice activities. Here are some more activities you can practice. We have about 10 activities. Thank you very much. Goodbye.